this is Daniel from Trusted Tutorials, and today we're gonna have a look at how to disable auto capitalization in Google Docs. It's very simple and really straightforward. If you know where to look for, it's very easy to turn it on and turn it off. Let's start with a little example. Let's say we want to have a sentence like the quick brown fox jumps and then over the lazy dog. Yeah, as you can see, in the beginning it started to just capitalize the T and also the O after the end of the sentence. If I now disable auto capitalization, it will not do that anymore. Let me show you where you can find that. The first thing you do is you go onto Tools, and then you have the menu item Preferences. It's the third last menu item. You click on Preferences, and here under General you have a check mark on automatically capitalized words. Once I'm gonna uncheck this and push OK or click on OK, this will not happen anymore. So I'm gonna write the same sentence and we can have a look. The quick brown fox jumps, and it auto suggests me to write that because it already knows the sentence, which is great, but I'm not going to use it, so I'll just write it manually. As you can see now, the T is not capitalized and also the O is not capital. So you can see it works. And once you want to activate it again, you just go do the same again and add the check mark. So you go on Tools, then you click on Preferences, and here you under General you have the automatically capitalized words. You just add the check mark here, you press OK, and after that it will capitalize words automatically again. So that's all you need to know. I hope this tutorial was helpful and hope you now know how to disable auto capitalization in Google Docs. Please give this video a like, follow our channel, hit the notification bell. This was Daniel from Trusted Tutorials, and see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching.